Wisdom Shorts.
A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Albert Einstein. In his cluttered office at Princeton University, Professor Albert Einstein sat across from a brilliant young physicist named Dr. Sarah Chen, who had just presented her research findings. Dr. Chen's face was flushed with embarrassment as she stared at the equations covering the blackboard. "Professor Einstein, I'm mortified. My calculations were completely wrong. 6 months of research and I've discovered nothing but my own incompetence." Einstein stood up and walked to the blackboard, studying her equations with genuine interest. "Tell me, what exactly did you discover was wrong?" "I assumed that quantum particles would behave predictably in this magnetic field configuration, but my experimental results show completely chaotic behavior instead." Einstein nodded thoughtfully. "And this chaos? Did anyone predict it would happen?" "No, sir. That's exactly the problem. No existing theory explains what I observed." A smile began to spread across Einstein's face. "Dr. Chen, do you realize what you've just told me?" She looked at him with confusion. "That I'm a failure as a scientist?" "No," Einstein said with growing excitement, "that you've discovered something entirely new, something that no one has ever seen before." Dr. Chen stared at him in disbelief. "But my hypothesis was wrong." Einstein chuckled warmly. "My dear colleague, when I first proposed that time could slow down and speed up, every physicist in Europe thought I was completely wrong." He gestured toward a framed photograph on his desk showing him with other Nobel Prize winners. "When I suggested that light could bend around massive objects, the scientific establishment called it impossible." Dr. Chen began to listen more intently as Einstein continued. "Do you know how many failed experiments led to my greatest discoveries?" he asked. "Dozens, perhaps hundreds." "Failure is the process," Einstein declared enthusiastically. "A person who never makes mistakes is a person who never pushes the boundaries of human knowledge." "The greatest discoveries in science," Einstein concluded, "come not from confirming what we already know, but from having the courage to be wrong about what we think we know." Dr. Chen's research would eventually lead to breakthrough discoveries in quantum mechanics, all because she learned to see her mistakes as stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks.